Good morning from Ljubljana city, the capital of Slovenia. Today we are exploring this city. In case you just joined us, we are Mansoureh and Bruno. We began our road trip 7 days ago in the northwest of Italy by driving east. In the previous episode, we left Italy and began exploring Slovenia by visiting Piron in the south of the country. We continued our journey until we reached Ljubljana, one of the smallest European capital cities. First thing first, we are going to visit the main attraction, which means this castle behind me. We have 12 minutes walk. Ljubljana Castle is standing on top of a hill above the town center. This is quite steep. We are kind of climbing up. There is a funicular too, but we chose to walk. It feels so hot. I mean, it is hot.
Which way?
Google says this way, or Winky.
Okay.
I think this is the funicular. I think it's coming up. If you don't like walking, don't worry. There is a car park here. You can drive. Whenever you want to go inside and visit any kind of attraction, you should wear mask. There is no entrance fee for visiting the castle courtyard. But if you want to see more, you need to buy a ticket which costs 10 euros. If you also want to use the funicular, you can buy a combined ticket and it will cost 13 euros. This castle dates back to the 12th century. However, it was rebuilt in the 16th century after it was destroyed by an earthquake. There are exhibitions and museums inside the castle. Walking around the castle is fun, especially visiting this room, which is the Museum of Puppetry. Is there anyone here who doesn't like puppet shows? We are going to a tower. By climbing these stairs, we are going to the top of the watchtower, where we are rewarded with the best view of Ljubljana. Oh, actually there is a flea market here. We are going to check it out. Thank you. I actually bought some cherries. I didn't want to buy anything, but cherries were so appealing. Ljubljana is very beautiful and it is famous for its architecture, the cute old town, and the picturesque bridges. Each bridge has its own character. For instance, this is a romantic one, and as you can see, there are many love locks here. I know these glasses are really safe to walk on, but when I walk on them, I feel the vibration. It just feels weird. Now we are going to check out the Dragon Bridge, the most famous bridge in this city. The symbol of this city is a dragon, and visiting the Dragon Beach is a must-do when you are in Ljubljana. To be honest, all the beaches here are beautiful. I think this is beautiful, but there are others better. Today is about Eastern European food, and we came to one of the good restaurants in the city. Actually, I just read a lot of reviews and this one was recommended. I wanna just try this meat roll before everything. It tastes really good. And also the bread is it's a bit oily, the oil of the meat. You can feel the texture on the bread. I love it. Salad is cheese. I like it. It's so good. Now I want to finish my food. We want to take a boat tour, but we can't find anyone to buy a ticket. And the last one is like in 20 minutes. Apparently we should go on the boat and we can buy a ticket on the boat. Hello. Can we enter?
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
We have the whole boat for ourselves. It's just us. On the boat, we made a new friend, the captain of our wooden boat. He told us that this year his clients, mostly tourists, dropped by 90% due to the pandemic. He was positive, hoping that this situation would get better in the next year. By taking a boat tour, we visited other parts of the city and saw Ljubljana from a different angle. We learned more about the locals' life and this beautiful city. We are back and it's end of our boat tour and end of this video. Tomorrow we are going to Bled and we are exploring that area. Stay tuned.